Hey there guys, I'm going to be showing you how to upload a file to GitHub using the drag and drop option. So once you are in GitHub and you have navigated to your repository, you will then choose where to upload the specific file. In this case, let's say we want to upload a file to this folder called task1. We can then click on that folder and then go to this drop down where it says add file and then select upload files, and we are taken to this screen where we can then either physically drag the file and drop it, or select choose files to then choose a specific file that we want to upload. So let's say we go to our desktop and we want to upload this specific text file, and click on open. Then you will see the file is being uploaded and the file is now ready to be committed to the repository. And then you click the commit changes button, and once this process is done, we can then go into the folder again and we see that our file has been uploaded. So that is how we can upload a file to GitHub using the drop and drag option. Alternatively, you can also use the command line option, but that will be shown in another video.